Alright guys, in today's video I'm going to show you the cheapest, most effective way to make noodles for catfishing. I mean, this is stupid cheap. I paid 50 bucks for everything I'm going to show you, and it should be enough. I think it'll come out to be 24 noodles and the limit's 25, so I mean I can, buy one more noodle. They're about a little over $4 a piece to make one more. I'm going to cut them all at 12 inches, and I'll show you what I do. Now this is not going to be with PVC pipe. Those are nice, but you don't need it. I'm here to show you you don't need it. I made some like these the last time when I was 14, and to this day we still use some. I had one last year disintegrate because it was so rotted. So this is effective. They catch fish and it'll do fine. So I'm just going to take them. I'm going to cut my first one out, and I'm going to use that as my marker instead of pulling a tape on every one of these. And I'm going to get them all cut. So I'm going to do that, and then I'll come back for the next step. Alright, so I got them all cut up. So for this part, it's boring. I'm not going to show you my name, phone number, address, blah, blah, blah. But it's required in my state to have that on your jugs. So I'm going to do that on one end on all these. It'll take me a few minutes. Then we'll move on to how I'm going to rig them up. So I'm going to do that right now, and we'll get back to you in a second. Alright, so I got them all labeled. I'm using Catfish Pros. I believe these are 5-aught. Yeah, that's 24-pack circle hooks. I'm using Catfish Pro because I'm based out of Arkansas, and this is an Arkansas company. So if you're from Arkansas and you're watching this, give them a chance. That's the catfish poles I use. I try to use all their stuff because I think we should support them. And I'm just using these Ozark Trail. These are 1-ounce sinkers. I don't really fish in heavy current, something like that. It's just mainly to keep the little brim from swimming off. I mean, if you hook a big catfish, it's going to go where it wants to go anyway, so let me show you what I'm going to do here. So I've done it two ways. I've done it where I just tie in the center, and that's worked. However, I like this other way better. You just take your string and you just feed it through the pool noodle. Just work it through there. So it comes out the other side there. And just take your two pieces and just tie your knot. The reason I like doing this is if it's tied in the center, I feel like I don't have as much faith in it holding as well. I don't know, that might sound stupid, and then when you pull this, it pulls the whole noodle under. I mean, it'll do the same thing. I just think it's better. And you can, I don't have any pliers with me, I'm about to grab some. You hold this tag in and you pull, and it'll actually cinch all the way down to the noodle where there's not really any slack. So I'm going to put 7 to 10 foot of line on each one, and I'll show you how I'm going to tie them, the sinker and the knot here in just a second. Alright, so to put the weight on, I took my line. Obviously you feed this up first, and I just tied a figure 8 knot to stop it so it doesn't go all the way down to the hook. Now you can tie this hook however you want. I just do a basic fishing knot. To me, it's super strong. People will tell you to do all kinds of stuff. I just do a basic knot. It has not failed me yet. I don't see why it would now. So that's what I'm going to do here. Take my hook, feed this through. I've been burning the ends of it so it's not, frayed. And to stiffen it so it'll push through the little holes. Let me see if I can work this through. I guess it's going to give me some trouble. I'll put you on standby. Let me get this little knot there out of it. After some finagling, I got it through. So I'm going to take this. Like I said, I just tie it like a regular fishing knot. You learn when you're little and you're chasing bluegill. I tie pretty much everything like this, and I mean, it takes a lot for my lines to break. We've caught really nice catfish on jugs with this. I think, sometimes the thickness of the line is what scares people. Alright, I pulled it tight. That ain't gonna break. You just cut your tag in. Be sure to burn it so it doesn't fray. And there you are. This is what it's gonna look like. I gave it probably 8 inches or so between the hook with about this line. This one probably has about 8 foot of line on it. And that's all it takes. If you like this video, give me a like, give me a follow. I will be using these in upcoming videos. It's raining this week, so it'll probably be next week before I'll be able to do any fishing. I appreciate you watching. Like I said, like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.